Hello and welcome to our channel Abstract Classes in Java. Today we are going to learn about abstract classes in Java. An abstract class in Java is a class that is declared with the abstract keyword. It serves a blueprint for other classes and cannot be instantiated directly, meaning you cannot create an object of an abstract class. New class. I am making a class, abstract class example with the public static void. I am making a class, abstract class example with public static void main method. I generated this method for testing the abstract classes in Java. Run it and check. So this is working. Now we can create an abstract class in Java. I created an abstract class in Java using the abstract keyword, and there is a one method void hello, which is also abstract. Now we can now try to create the object of this class. We won't be able to create an object because this is an abstract class. Cannot instantiate the demo type demo because it is extract class. So you cannot instantiate the abstract class. So I can extend the demo. So I can extend the demo class, and now if you see here, it is saying the demo example must implement the inherited abstract method demo hello. So we can implement this. So it is implemented here. Println hello from. We should be able to create the object of this class. So it is correct. We are able to create the object of a class which extends the abstract class. So abstract class cannot be instantiated. So there is an abstract method say hello, and we are able to call this say hello method. And if we run this, we'll get the this is the output from this class demo class. In abstract class, we can have a implemented method as well. Public void say hello, and so this is we can also create a implemented method in the abstract class, but we cannot we cannot create the object of abstract class. Now we can write t dot say hello, so this is will also be executed here. So this is a print message class, and I can now in this class we have to implement all these methods. But if I make it abstract class, I can implement one method and leave two methods unimplemented. And we can extend the print demo here. Now this is I can make a class here and remove this implementation because it is already implemented, and rest to implementation I can add here. So these two unimplemented method is implemented here. So this way you can create chain of abstract classes. Finally, we will be able to create the object of this class and call all these methods. So this is the F1. For consistency, just remove this and run it again. Now it printed F1, F2, F3. So it called all three methods. So this way we can also create a chain of abstract classes. This is the main abstract class, and this abstract class is being extended in this class, and one method is implemented, but rest a method is not implemented. Then in another class, we extended the second abstract class and implemented all these methods, and finally we are able to create the object of print demo second class object. So in this way you can use the abstract classes in Java. So abstract is a keyword in Java which is used to create the abstract classes. So you can create the abstract classes with abstract method and the implemented method. So in the next class you have to just implement the unimplemented method, and after that you will be able to create the object of class final class. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.